Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So Nothing Phone 1 has been a great phone, and now you can control the entire music playback of the Nothing Phone 1 by mapping the buttons of this phone. So you can play the music by just clicking on the volume up and volume down keys, and also that will be great if we can control the music with the physical buttons, because we don't want to touch the phone screen all the time. We can just click on this volume up and volume down to go to the next and previous tracks. So we will see with which app we can do this, and we can also configure other actions with the buttons of the Nothing Phone 1. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So to get this feature, you need to download one app, which is the Micro Gesture app, and this is available in the Play Store. Once you have installed the app, you need to open the app, and once you open the app, you need to give the necessary permissions so that it can detect the gestures of the phone. So after you have given all the permissions, you have to enable this, and in the settings you have to make sure that Micro Gesture Plus service is turned on. Once it is turned on, you have to click on this press key volume up single, and here you can assign the next track and previous track to the volume up key. So in the trigger mode it will be press key press will be volume up, key mode will be single, and in action you have to come more actions, and here you have to click on media next and click on the stick sign, and also you have to click any of the gesture, and here you have to select the press key option, and in the key pressed you have to select volume down, and in the action again you have to come to more actions, and here you have to select the previous media option. So what it will do is volume up will go to the next track and volume down will be going to the previous track. So it will be really useful, because it will give you the feel of a real physical music player, where you can use the tactile buttons to go to the next and previous track, and also you can do the same thing even if the music player is not active. So let's see whether this is working or not. So I will open the Spotify app in this phone, and once I open this Spotify app, I will play a music. So here you can see I'm playing a music, and I want to change the track. So to change the track, I will just click on the volume up key, and the next track will be played. Again I will click on the volume up, the next track will be played, and I can click on the volume down to go to the previous track obviously. So really good option to have in the Nothing Phone 1. And also what I can do is I can just lock the screen and listen to music, and I don't need to pick my phone, click on the screen and unlock the device. I can only click on this volume button to go to the next track. So really good option to have in the Nothing Phone 1. So this will save our time and make the music experience a lot better also, and definitely it will be a really good feature to have in the Nothing Phone 1. And you can also assign other tasks and actions to the volume buttons of the Nothing Phone 1. So that's it guys, wanted to show that you can map the volume buttons of the Nothing Phone 1 to use it as a media player, and it works even when the phone is locked and improves the media playback experience. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.